Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add padding, margins, and separators in WordPress, a full 2025 guide that will make your website look polished and professional. Even if you're new to WordPress, by the end of this video, you'll be able to control the spacing and layout of your content like a pro. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. On the homepage, click the login button in the top right corner. You can log in using your preferred Google account for a quick and secure sign-in. Once logged in, head over to the Quick Links section and select Edit Site. This opens the WordPress site editor, the control center for customizing your website. In the editor, click the plus icon in the top left corner to add a new block. For this tutorial, we'll use the cover block, which lets you combine images and text for a visually appealing section. Upload your chosen image. It will serve as the background and set the tone for your content. Make sure the image is high quality and matches your website style. Next, look at the settings panel in the top right corner and open the Style tab. Here, you'll find the Dimension section where you can adjust padding and margins. Padding controls the space inside a block, while margins control the space outside it. Experiment with these settings to create a balanced and visually pleasing layout. Small tweaks can make a big difference in readability and design. Finally, to separate sections visually, click the plus icon again and search for separator. Adding a separator inserts a clean dividing line, giving your page structure and making it easier for visitors to navigate your content. And that's it. You now know how to log into WordPress, add a cover block, upload an image, adjust padding and margins, and insert separators to create a neat and organized website. With these tools, your site will not only look professional, but also provide a better experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick and practical WordPress tutorials.